Welcome to our detailed comparison review of TP-Link's Archer 8 and Archer AX72 Pro routers. Let's delve into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. The Archer 8 operates on Wi-Fi 5 standards, offering AX1900 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5G band and 600 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. It features a medium range coverage suitable for typical three-bedroom houses. In contrast, the Archer AX72 Pro supports Wi-Fi 6 standards, delivering AX5400 speeds with 4804 Mbps on the 5G band and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. With advanced technologies like Fort4 and ADIMA, it ensures high-capacity, low latency wireless connectivity, ideal for demanding maintenance. 2. Security. Both routers provide robust network security features such as spy firewall, access control, and guest networks. However, the Archer AX72 Pro offers enhanced security features like Home Shield security, including real-time IA protection and malicious site blocker for comprehensive protection against cyber threats. 3. Hardware. The Archer 8 is equipped with a 1.2 GHz single-core CPU, while the Archer AX72 Pro boasts a more powerful 1 GHz dual-core CPU for improved processing performance. Additionally, the Archer AX72 Pro offers faster Ethernet connectivity with a 2.5 gigabit WAN LAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports, ensuring faster wired connections. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IP6 and offer advanced features such as parental controls and quality of service settings. However, the Archer AX72 Pro stands out with its Home Shield parental controls, providing advanced content filtering and family time management features for better control over your home network. In summary, while the Archer 8 offers reliable Wi-Fi performance and essential features for typical home networks, the Archer AX72 Pro provides advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology with enhanced speed, coverage, security, and software functionalities, making it a top choice for modern smart homes. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.